Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. It's good to see you guys again, and today is going to be very exciting because I wanted to share with you guys the journey of transforming my workplace, or you may consider this as my studio. Now, if you're a long-term subscriber, you may have noticed that the color on the background has slightly changed. The look of the studio has slightly changed as well. The process is very simple. I'm going to go through with you guys step by step. I'm going to make it a quick one so that the video is less than 10 minutes. The first thing I've done is to remove the tables, the laptops, the cables, the documents, the hard disk, the backup hard disk, everything. And of course the shelf on the top of the table as well. I removed everything. The moment I've removed everything, then we did some plaster job just to make sure that there is no holes on the wall. And once you're done with that, then we started painting. So the paint or the color that I've chosen is called Arctic Night. So once I've done with the painting, then it's time to allow it to dry. The moment the paint is dried out, then it's time to put in all the equipments, the speakers, the laptops, the tables, the hard disk, the keyboards, the mouse, and of course the one that I'm most excited about will be the Dell 27-inch 4K ultra sharp monitor. Now, if you want to know more about this monitor, I'll put a link on the description below. I've done a review on this monitor. Go check that out, guys. Check that out. So once everything is done, it looks really nice, but there's few things that I felt that needed to be changed a little bit so the room may look slightly nicer. So I went to IKEA, I purchased a curtain. You can see over here, this is the curtain. The color that I've opted for is the blue color so that it resembles the background on the back over here. And all the lamps is the original ones that I had before. The only upgrade that I had would be this lamp, which is from Xiaomi. This lamp, this one. Okay, yes, this one. This is the one. So this is a bedside lamp from Xiaomi, and you can actually control the lamp by using a phone app. And now it's on this function that it changed from one color to another color, and I think it looks really very nice. The backdrop over here, this lamp over here is actually my RGB light that I use for photography. So most of the time it is not there, it's just to get this effect when I'm doing the video like this. So if you notice, there's also some photo frames over here. Now the photo frames are from IKEA. I got 3 of them and I put in some of my own design. I printed out myself, and I'm very happy with it. I'm really very happy with it. So once I'm done with the photo frame, then it's time for me to put my concentration on the chair that I'm sitting right now. A couple of months back, I had a very bad backache, and I think it's due to the chair or the type of chair I was sitting on. So I threw away the chair and I went to IKEA and purchased this chair. So this is actually the model called Marcus or Marcus. I'll put some information in the description below. So this chair is very comfortable. It allows me to change the height. It is it's movable. I mean to say, it's you can actually move it from one side to another side. And the most important part would be the good back support. So this chair provides me with a good back support and a bit of head support over here as well. So after spending hours and hours working on my desk, I don't really feel that much pain. Probably I need some time to recover from the backache not too long ago, but this chair is really comfortable. So once we're done with the chair, I think more or less just a minor tuning a little bit here and there to make this place look really awesome. But what I'm trying to say is that I had a good time, a really good time, and I enjoyed the experience of this transformation. Seeing a room or a workplace that is very messy with a lot of cables and a lot of documents on the table, and now experiencing a totally opposite of what I had earlier. The place is very clean and very cozy right now. I feel very comfortable. And the moment you feel comfortable and clean and cozy, particularly for myself, the brain has more time to focus on what matters most, meaning to say I am more creative in this kind of environment. So overall, it's been really good, 2 thumbs up, and I think the next thing that I would like to do is to upgrade the desk. Now I've been eyeing on a few desks, particularly the one that has the button that you can push and then it goes up and down, but that requires a little bit of investment. So what I'm thinking is I'll purchase this desk maybe next month. So if you guys like this video and if you want to know more about the desk, stay tuned and watch out for the next video or next episode. Until then, if you like this video, hit the like button, click subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye bye.